Chers élèves de français 2, bonjour, comment allez-vous? Il fait très beau aujourd'hui et j'espère que vous êtes prêts à commencer cette journée. Aujourd'hui, vous avez un quiz sur les verbes réfléchis et le vocabulaire que nous avons vu, donc vocabulaire de la salle de bain, vocabulaire de la routine, vocabulaire du corps humain. C'est ce que vous allez avoir dans votre quiz, mais rassurez-vous, c'est un quiz qui est très court. It's a very short quiz. What I want you to do is to click on the link below. This is how you are going to access your quiz. It's an assessment, Google assessment document. You have 1 hour to finish it. And for those with extended time, you know that you can take longer. So I have big recommendation. Make sure to carefully read the prompt. Don't rush. I know that some of you have that problem. They don't read, and because of that, they make mistakes. So please read the prompt, and on that prompt you check the subject pronoun to make sure that you know how to conjugate the verb depending on the subject pronoun or the subject. It can be a noun, a group of nouns acting on the verb. You have to be careful of the conjugation of the verb, verbs in general. Write the correct article. D'accord? Write the correct article. Don't forget the article. I know that some of you, they they have the tendency to forget things. The good news for that quiz is you won't have to write sentences. You will just write what is asked. Like for instance, they say here, que fait-on? Complète le document, the statement, with the correct form of the verb. So you will have only to write the correct verb. Don't forget the reflexive pronoun, please. It's only what I ask you to write. You don't have to write the full sentence. And it's going to be the same for the other questions. It's going to be about vocabulary. So you have an object, and they ask you to match the object, but you don't have any vocabulary list to help you with. You'll have to come up with your own knowledge of the vocabulary. So it's going to be vocabulary of the bathroom, and they ask you what to do. Not only the bathroom, vocabulary that you know. They ask you where you put what part of your body correspond to that word. For instance, if I say chapeau, okay, le chapeau, you will have to say la tête. D'accord? So that's your quiz today. Voilà. Once you are done, please fill the exit ticket. I have 2 questions for you, important questions. Your questions are very important. I read them, and I can tell you, they really help me. So fill the exit ticket, and after that, you'll be done. This afternoon, you have a tutorial from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. D'accord? Allez, je vous souhaite bon courage et bonne journée. Au revoir.